Hi guys, welcome to the BQML GA360 block. Essentially what we're doing here is we're taking information about sessions and then attempting to predict whether that user will make a purchase in the future. Really straightforward setup here. We've got some information about any given session, as well as a slightly more complex dimension about will they make a purchase in the future in some window that we've specified. In this case, that window is 180 days. So for our training set, we've got 360 days worth of initial session data, each one of those looking 180 days forward to see whether there will be a purchase. Our testing data set is identical, just starts at a different moment in time, so there's no overlap here between when those initial sessions are occurring. Then we have our model itself that we're using to train this algorithm. And then we have all the kind of evaluation metrics that we want from BQML itself. All of this comes together in a dashboard that we've put together here. So starting from the bottom here, at the bottom of this dashboard is actually just the training information about the model itself, how long it took, how many iterations, how well it did over time, etc. And now at the top, we have the actual evaluation of that model, how well it did. So this is built into a couple of components. There's a static component, accuracy, recall, and F1 score that are static. Again, the model is trying to maximize for accuracy, so we have that as very high. But if we have a small recall or F1 score that we might want to raise, we can actually interact with this dashboard to test out various scenarios, so to speak. So we have the ROC curve and the precision recall curve, so we can see kind of at a glance roughly what the trade-off is there between precision and recall and how these will change. But more importantly, the ROC curve details are provided by BQML, so we can actually see at what threshold we get how many true positives, false positives, true negatives, true positives. So it's really easy to just select a threshold, and if we want to see our interesting numbers here, kind of our magic numbers for recall and precision and accuracy, we can just plug that in at the top, rerun this dashboard, and get the new numbers. Notice our accuracy went down, our recall went up, and the precision went down as well. And we can see the details of that matrix down here below. So again, we can tinker around with this as much as we want in an interactive fashion to really get some actionable results, right? Sometimes, again, high accuracy might not be all that we're looking for, based on what kind of data it is. This example here, right, there's a lot of true negatives. Most of the time, people don't make a purchase within 180 days. Therefore, we want to boost something like recall or precision so that at least that we have some way of pinpointing those customers that do. This is a really straightforward way to do that. Again, for all the definitions of recall and precision and F1 score and accuracy, there's a ton of resources out there for that. I just wanted to give a kind of overview for data scientists here for how this dashboard can be used in a practical manner. Thanks, guys.